What's up, guys? 2011 Honda Civic Hybrid here. Removing the AC compressor. The AC compressor is right there. It's AC compressor locked up on me. I'm just making a video because there is not many videos out there about these. But as you can see, the pulley spins, but the actual compressor is not spinning. Okay. So anyway, it's kind of tough. It's a hybrid, so you got to do all your basic hybrid disconnect part. Disconnect the batteries, switch in the back, and here's the compressor. Now, remove the AC condenser because I'm going to be replacing it, and then figured I'll move the radiator out the way just enough so I can clear the compressor out of here. Just got your lines. You got one nut here and a bolt here, and then your connector. You got this bolt right here that holds on the compressor, and this other bolt that goes right there. It's right there. Already took it out. So yeah, it's a little tough to get to, but I mean, I was draining the coolant. I drained some out of it. Then just disconnect this hose so you can move. Disconnect your tranny filter, transmission oil filter, so you can, just so the radiator could just kind of move out the way a little bit. It's not too bad. And then take off this cross member, makes it easier. And you also got this bolt right here. So that's 1, 2, and then the one in the front. And that'll be 3, 2, 3. And you got your main connector here for the electric part of the AC compressor, the hybrid part of the AC compressor. So you got that little green tab. Pretty much slides back. Let's get this out the way. This piece slides back. See, kind of broke it a little bit. Shit. Yep. Kind of work it back a little bit. Work it back till you clear it. You'll see right there. See where we at. And make sure you clear that little tab down there. So I messed up. I cracked it. It's right there. Oh shit. There you go. Let's see. Pretty much like that. You just push this down. Alright. First time I'm doing this shit, so boom. That's it. Not bad. So you got your cable disconnected. Just what's out there here. Got all these little tabs. You just slide back on these. Slide back and pull them out. And it runs along here. I gotta get these out, and then all the way to your compressor. To the electric hybrid part of the AC compressor. Yep. Alright, dudes. So check it out. Decided to open up the AC compressor. See why it wasn't spinning. So this is supposed to be spinning like that, right? That's where your pulley goes, right? But it wasn't spinning because of this shit. It's all fucked up. Fuck. Holy shit. Look at that. Talk about compressor failure. Some bearings in there. Holy shit. Fuck. That is bad.